This is the disposable toilet brush purchased from Temu. So it came with the toilet brush, um, and that's the wand, and then that's where you put the toilet brush. So this is the package that came with it. I did check you can buy the refills online as well at Temu, but there's a little instruction. This is the tape. What this one attaches here, so it's supposed to stick on the wall, but so you all you need to do is fit it in the brush container or holder, and then take out the the flap, so it's supposed to stick on the wall. So, and then this the one you are able to attach it. It looks nice on the wall, but and it opens up. That's where you put all the brush that came with it. Again, there is a refill that's for sale. I did feel it. I haven't tried it yet, but it's not like a scrubber. So let's see how it works, because it attaches to the wand. So there, and then you're able to release it away as well by pushing a button. So right like that. So I haven't tried it, but this is supposed to um well, this is, I'm just showing you. So it's supposed to work like that, not outside the toilet though, inside. So that's why I haven't tried it. So let's see if it holds up when I try it. But I did try to feel that texture. It's not like a scrubber. Um it doesn't feel like it's a scrubber. It's like a little smooth. So here's the stick on. Supposed to be, it sticks on the wall. So I took that off, and my toilet wall, my bathroom wall is tiled, so it didn't work with that. It didn't stick at all, so I would have to get something that will help it stick to the wall. So for now, I'm just showing you how it would look. It's just nice, to put in the wall. We'll see how it works, but it's a Temu purchase. If you wonder how it is, it does feel like not as plasticky. It looks nice. It could be a nice. It could add to a nice look in your bathroom, and that's it.